How to use LocalSend from iPhone to Windows. So first of all, what you need to do, head over to your iPhone and make sure you download LocalSend from the App Store. Then head over to your computer and then download the LocalSend from localsend.org. Once you download both and open them, you're going to be greeted with this screen. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that the computer and the iPhone are connected to the same network. The computer can be connected with an Ethernet cable and the iPhone can use a Wi-Fi. It's just important that they're using the same router. Now, let's say I want to send a video from my iPhone to my computer. I'm gonna go send media. Let's select the video, confirm, and here we're gonna see nearby devices efficient coconut on my iPhone, and here on my computer I'm gonna see that the name of my computer is efficient coconut, so I know that that's the device. So let's tap on it. Gorgeous Mushroom wants to send me a file, and as we can see, Gorgeous Mushroom is the name of my iPhone. Let's accept, and there you go, 13 megabytes, less than half a second. And here we can see that it's saved to our downloads. We can click on the actual path and it's gonna take us to the download destination. Now let's click done, and there you go. Same exact thing is if you want to send it from your computer to your iPhone. Also, you can go to settings, change the theme, color, language, auto start after login. So auto start as soon as you turn on your computer. Let's say we want that. You can also require a PIN and change the download destination. And if you want to change your device name, you can do that here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.